management portal. The TS4U Financial portal homepage appears. When I hover over the user icon, I can mention in the top right corner, and I click on my bio option. Same, and then I click on the TS4U limited option on the left hand side. Then I see add voucher on the right hand corner. When I click on the add voucher button, then the voucher form should appear. And I can select a receipt option from that form.
So it will be the then I can select
The payment.
Yeah,
Yeah,
payment option, and remove that full stop after the select, and also make the lowercase a. So these also are important.
Sorry. Select the payment option. Can I write like this? I can then I can select the payment option from that form, and I can select the bank cash checkbox. I can input the amount. Then I select the date. I don't know whether I've selected the date or not.
Yeah, then I think these are the same form. You can go check from there on the staging on that portal. I mean the finance portal.
Let me go and check. Was it this one? Yep. Yeah, I see was it this one? No, I didn't put any description.
No, click on the add voucher. Click on the add voucher.
Okay.
Go up.
Add voucher.
Then click on the payment. Select the payment.
Payment.
Yeah. So yeah, the same form. See, there is no change. So yeah. So I think those are same, the acceptance criteria also in the.
Yeah, but remember when I entered, I saved it. I want to see whether this was saved. So why should I go and find that out? Like,
what did you say?
When we did our example, I saved it. So how can I go and check that whether it was saved? Is it like
if you saved it successfully, you should be able to see here on there. Yeah, payment. I think this payment maybe you have saved. Go up on the top one. So after you creating, it will be on the top.
2000 a year. I think this is the one.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, go to the user history and complete that.
The user should have a valid email. Given the navigates to this. Okay, let me go over the acceptance criteria. Given the user navigates to the homepage when I logged into the TS4U Financial Management portal, then TS4U Financial portal homepage appears, and when I hover over the user icon, mention in the top right corner, and then I click my buy option, and I click on the TS4U limited option on the left hand side. I see the voucher on the right. I click the voucher button. The voucher button should appear, and I see the payment options. Yes. Then I select the bank cash checkbox. I can input the amount. I can select the date. I can select the specific ledger based on the specific transaction. Then I can provide a description. In this case, we didn't provide any description. When I click on the save button, my added voucher should be saved in the voucher list. Yes. Looks good. Right, Mr. Pranto?
Yes.
So I'm saving it.
No, wait, scroll down on the all the way down. And then I click and then my added voucher should be saved in the, yeah. Okay, save it.
I can create another one based on the other functionality like payment. Then we have journal.
Yeah. Now click create another one for the journal.
Okay. Am I doing it right?
Yes.
You see what I want to do? I'm just going to copy it from the previous one and then just do some editing. Can I do it, please?
Sorry, what
I'm going to
you
copy
want?
everything from the previous user story. Then
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
do
yeah.
the editing.
Just yeah.
Let me
This is
do.
how we can
That was
right?
user story number 12, right? Just we worked, or 11.
Yes. 12.
12, okay. What I'll do is the then the account manager should be able to create a journal.
Yeah, create a journal voucher.
Journal voucher, okay. Then I'm going to save and let me just get back and create. Okay, as an account manager, I should be able to create one voucher. Going to put everything here. As an account manager, I should be able to create a journal. Can I go and check one more time how this journal works?
Yeah, then go there and let's see.
So select a date, then create a.
Yeah, and then it's
Here,
little bit different, right? So we can
it's
select
different.
the laser for the credit account. We can when I can select the laser for the what is it to say? Debit voucher or what?
It was a journal account, and you see, like, so let me get back. If we okay, oh, dashboard. I'm sorry, it should be here.
Yeah.
When we go and then if we click journal, then the form changes.
Yeah, we can select the for here you can select the date, we can select the laser for the credit accounts, we can select the laser for the debit accounts and also
Yes,
put the amounts. So yeah,
you're
this is
right.
just what, then add the description and then click on the save button. So this is the acceptance criteria will be changed here. So
Yes.
yeah, we can do there.
So I put this was the credit account, I guess. Can I put like cash?
Yeah.
This is the credit ledger account. Then debit should be the same.
No, it could be the different also. No.
Okay. So let me. But the title should be the same, right? Cash in hand, office expense. what should